Welcome makers! In this video, we will be using the Kahoa kit for those who attended our Provo workshop, but this simplified Kahoa is perfect for any beginner and can be recreated as well. In our kit, we have carnations and some foam plate pieces that are layered with a thin foam. I used pinking shears to create the zigzag edges. In this tube, we also have a needle and lastly, our curling ribbon. Not included in the kit are scissors and a stapler. I have this heavy-duty stapler that I use, but a basic office stapler will also work, and I will also show you how to make it without using a stapler. I am going to cut or break off the ends of the carnations so that I can use the individual petals. I'm taking the largest petals and stapling them onto my foam plate pieces, following the shape of my base layers. If you do not have a stapler, you can sew on groups of flower petals using a simple stitch with the needle and curling ribbon. You will need to tie a double knot in the back of the foam piece to keep everything secure. Continue adding fresh flowers to each of your plate pieces. Now we're going to sew the pieces onto the tea leaf base that we made in the workshop. After threading the needle with curling ribbon, we're going to sew each plate on in 3 places on each side and in the center. After the first stitch, tie the ribbon in the back with a double knot and trim the excess ribbon. I do like to mostly sew through the plastic twine layer we used to weave the tea leaf. One thing to note when you're sewing on your pieces, you will get a feel for sewing through the foam layers. If you pull the ribbon too hard, it can cut through the layers. Use a single stitch, making sure that the foam plate is secure. For this simplified design, we're finishing the top layer with a foam piece. You may need to trim this piece to fit your design. You can use a simple stitch across or do 2 stitches to form an X or a cross. Once all pieces are sewn onto the tea leaf base, tie off the curling ribbon in the back of the lei. I like to go through some of the plastic twine and then tie it off to make sure it is secure. Braid the end of your plastic twine.